Guys, Arcade Go Compton here. So let's do an unboxing video actually of the stuff I got here, but something happened where, I forgot you can't go off of the thing and just pause it for later to record. And then it stopped the recording, so. But the first thing I unboxed here is this, so I can't actually really play you the sound on it, like what it sounds like with music, but it sounds a little better, like in a way, more like a Skull Candy kind of sound, but that's light when it's on, to show it's paired and stuff. I'll at least show you what it sounds like, the TTS, or now that this voice thing on it, show what's going on with it and stuff. I'll turn it off.
Powering off.
And it sounds a bit different because there's less bass with my other one, which I'll go get right now and show you. There's more bass. Kind of compare.
Powering on.
And it's quieter. Yeah, there's more bass and it's quieter. And then I'll power this. Oh, I paired with my phone. And I shut it back off.
Powering off.
Then I'll show you what this one sounds like when it powers on.
Powering on. Ready to pair.
Hear that?
Pair.
Louder. Oh, and look how instant it pairs compared to this one. I don't know, maybe it's older. No, actually, it's not that. And it even says right away ready to pair.
Powering off.
Okay, I'm gonna turn it back off and show you this other thing I got here. Is it's a Black Panther kind of flying UFO ball from Marvel Avengers. You control with your hand. 6+, flies up to 15 feet, USB rechargeable, and indoor. So we're gonna unbox this here now. Hold on, let's pause the video. Okay, now I got it unboxed. So, some of the propellers, they came apart in the box. So, I'll put those aside then. And okay, so first this little USB recharger. I don't think this thing would really charge that fast. Maybe you could use a different one to charge faster, but and then it comes with that little manual here. Then there's the thing that's unboxed. And we're gonna try to get it to work now. Okay, there, now it's on. Oh, here it is. Oh, damn. Oh, man. Okay, well, hold on, turn it off. Okay, I'll just have to, set this here somehow. And just, hold the phone and, okay. It's I don't really switch it. I can't switch the camera around now. Aw, man, what the heck? Well, I'll try to just set it on something here. And I'll just try to set it on this. Okay, yeah, oh man, I didn't assemble it right. I should have, man. Yeah, I'm kind of stupid for buying this, and if I, don't know how to assemble and stuff, I should have had Dad help me with that. Yeah. Anyways, guys, that's the first funny unboxing video of me failing to get that thing to fly right. I'll probably do another video when I'm showing it flying. Then once I get it to work. Oh man. Alright. Anyways, guys, see you in the next video. Oh, and also the first video ends real quick. I'm gonna be starting streaming again in May 27 because the channel was terminated from streaming for a while, or no, I think it's the 17th. Yeah, so like 2 months from now almost.